everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in RAC Finance. First, open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in RAC Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo or as RACWA. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit and here you can see login to my RAC. Click on my RAC. Now you need your email and a password to sign in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. Now if you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget your password and reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register now and create a new account. And if you have any other questions, you can visit the FAQ page by clicking here. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you need to follow to log in RAC Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.